seven dips means seven islands.
We may not distracted.
In the center is called Jambudip.
Seven, not you know, seven
islands.
Where are these? In what?
Jambu.
Is that physical or?
Yeah, I'm explaining it.
So each world is surrounded by islands.
Yeah. It says when the earth was formed.
Yeah.
Earth means land, not the earth globe.
Yeah.
Okay?
Land.
So in Mrityulok, which means earth,
It was in center.
there were seven islands.
So
Oh yes.
then the sea, then the another land, like that, in the circle form. So that is the center part is called Jambudip. So whenever puja is started, it's Jambudipe Bharatakhande.
Yeah.
So I write it in short, Jambu Dvipe.
But that very center
Right.
is burning.
No, we are not talking about the present earth, what we are seeing. We are talking the earth landmark when it was created.
Okay.
Right. Why is Jambudvipe?
So that's in
Because
primitive time.
Why Jambudip?
It's Dvivachan, no.
Dvipe. Ram can get Rame.
Yeah, that's it.
So it explains that it is inside
The
the Jambudvipe.
location where it is.
The seventh case. Bharatakhande.
The location.
Bharatakhande.
Describes the location.
Bharatakhande means in the continent of Indian continent. So what it explains is Indian continent is inside the Jambudip.
Yeah.
Indian continent is inside. Okay.
Indian continent is inside the Jambudip.
So,
present
part of it.
Yeah. Present geology. That's a India, Indian continent, not India.
Indian continent.
Yeah.
What's an Indian continent?
And that's a Gondwana land.
That's the word I haven't heard.
Yes, Gondwana.
Gondwana.
So geologically, the Indian continental plate is separated from the Gondwana land.
Yeah.
Gondwana land was a single one, then it broke up everywhere. That become Asia, that's become Australia, that's become India.
Oh, so it used to be called Gondwana when it was together.
Yeah. Is that
Okay.
talking about the
Jambudip.
That's the geological terms.
You're talking about the tectonic
Yeah,
plates.
yeah.
Tectonic plates.
Jambudip.
Not necessarily tectonic, all plates.
No.
Jambudip.
Right, that's what I'm talking.
The movement of plates.
Yeah. So whatever is said in the Sanskrit is not just a simple. What I'm explaining is now you can, if you know the geology, then you can understand what it means.
What modern science is saying is that when these plates separate,
Yeah,
worlds disappear,
yeah,
Venus, volcanoes destroy, because people tend to civilize themselves along these edges, but also when they open up, their world disappears.
There's a lot there we don't know.
so that's the Asia, that's the India.
Yeah.
When India joined with Asia, it is created the Himalaya.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
So
That's
Himalayan
Nepal.
age,
Nepal.
yeah, Himalayan age is 6.5 million.
And there's been some people,
So 65 million.
there's been some scientists,
6.5 crore years.
there's been some scientists going into these
No, we don't
spaces.
do it, but he likes it.
Huge
He's
caverns,
enjoying
yeah.
himself.
It's amazing.
So how we know that one? By the studying the fossils from the Himalaya.
So when was this spoken of?
Sorry, you forgot everything whatever I said.
No.
Okay. So my point is just study of the present geology science explains how old is this one
Yes.
when the India joined to that, so all studies ultimately comes there.
Yeah.
It's matching
Yeah.
with the scriptures.
And when you study at Colorado, Vishnu cyst,
Yeah, that.
we did it sometimes before.
Yeah, this one.
Then it explains is 1.9 billion years.
Is that what you say?
If my neck was
That's the first time the land was created over the earth.
Yeah, this one.
Oh yes, yes.
Then what? Lagi ke je?
Okay. હવે આની અંદર આ જંબુદ્વીપની સાથે there are all seven deeps there.
Yeah.
Iceland there. They have given 9 continents as well.
9 minutes.
Yeah.
Yep.
Which is 6.51 in the next.
65 million.
Million what?
Million years. It's the age of Himalaya. What happens when I'm saying that one? Somebody is asking me, so everything is missing.
Then I forget.
Okay, so that's the age. So whenever a story is said about Ganga Avtaran, so Ganga Avtaran time should be within that period.
6.5 million.
Okay.
Because when there is no Himalaya, it can't be a Ganga.
Yeah, that's true.
So actually the calculation on Vedic basis I have done is comes 55 million.
So that's
how old Ganga is.
Yeah.
She's not older than that.
No, not
Might
older.
be younger, but
Yeah.
not older than that.
55
Because
million.
there weren't
Yeah.
Himalayas before then.
55 million years.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's when you could have swum that.
So what
So
it
that's
means?
when the Himalayas were formed, 55 million years ago.
Yeah.
65.
60.
Ganga started to flow there because ice was there, it was not melting, so Ganga was not coming down.
Yeah.
But 55 million years
Yeah.
ago, the ice started
So
melting.
exact figures I will give you an email.
That's before Noah.
Yeah. So what is 50 miles? According to the Veda and Purana, when it comes? About 13 Mahayug before. Right?
My imagination is getting older.
Yeah, everything is now mathematical calculation.
There's not much space in here.
So now I come to the end part of this page.
Yes.
It says, can you read a figure of 8.64, 864 and 7 zeros?
You've got 64,
864.
6,400.
Yeah. No, 864. It's 8.64 billion years.
Yes.
When we talk about this in Kathas,
Yeah.
we do talk about this in Kathas.
So it makes you
But then we try
really
to
ask you
forget.
the question, what do you mean by
I
present?
tried to forget.
Makes you ask the question, what do you mean by
Doesn't make
present?
sense. I mean, we
Because
tried
it
to
takes so
forget.
much time.
Yeah.
Instead of understanding.
Because this cannot be the present.
What would I do?
So 55 million years
Because
is
it's such an
13
expensive
Mahayugs.
time.
13 Mahayug.
So each year it should be calculated.
Yeah.
So
So the
that's,
present is already
One
gone.
Mahayug.
yeah.
Ganta.
So that's how I got
Yes,
that.
the Brahmaji
Yeah.
said.
If you study this one,
Where we need to go.
Yeah.
That's when the Ganga starts.
Yeah, I understand.
yeah, that's right, yeah.
Yeah.
So the Maya is before that.
Okay, so let's start now.
What's the Mahayug? 13 Mahayugs. What's that now? 55.
Means 13 Mahayug before the Ganga came to
Before.
flow.
What was before that?
There was no Ganga.
So 13
See, you're still
Mahayug.
remaining in
I don't
water.
know. 55 million years is when Gangaji Pragatya, yeah?
Ah, that's
So 13 Mahayugs before
Mahayug means how many?
Brahmaji no Divas.
4.32
Okay.
million.
Oh, wow.
Which is that? The
Multiply by 30.
Wow.
13 ચોકુ 52 અને 53 ચોકુ 50.
55.
Yeah?
Okay, so after the 13th Mahayug, Gangaji Pragat.
After the before 30.
Before 13th.
Yeah, G, I will have to pop off at about
Okay.
okay, we need to really get to the bottom of this.
Yeah.
55.
આને હું તમને કેલ્ક્યુલેશન આપીશ.
Yeah.
અત્યારે મને તમને ઈ પૂરું કરવું છે કે આમાં શું કર્યું છે.
Okay. Let's just forget that.
Okay.
It's too big for us.
આમાં પણ બધું નથી કર્યું કારણ કે everything is not said.
It's not big, it's just numbers.
આપણે ગંગાજીને કોણ લઈ આવ્યા? ભગીરથ. તો ભગીરથની વાત આવે છે ભાગવતમાં. ઓકે. But when Bhagirath in Satyug, not this Satyug.
Yeah.
Because
Okay.
present Satyug is just 4 million years ago.
Yeah.
And Ganga is flowing more than that.
Wow, yes.
So it's not talking about present last Satyug.
So is that 13 when Bhagirath?
Yeah. It's the
Did
story
they
about
have-
that time.
Huh?
It's the story about this time.
Okay, so 13th Mahayug is when Bhagirath existed.
That's it.
And then
Go for it.
13 more Mahayugs and then Gangaji Pragat here.
The Bhagirath story is at this time, 55 million years ago.
Okay.
That's
It's
when
only a
life
story.
first started. because
Yeah.
It's only a story.
13th Mahayug.
Yeah.
Okay.
Though it's a story, but it's
So
explained.
55 million years is the 13th Mahayug.
Your aerial
The
boat.
13th Mahayug was 55 million years ago.
Before the 13th Mahayug.
Let's not
Okay, forget it.
Okay. This is the present,
55 million you check.
right?
Yeah.
Okay, let's
This is the 13th Mahayug before.
Before the
Mahayug
present.
before.
Okay.
Yeah.
Before this
Okay, say 13 Mahayugs ago.
And that's when Ganges starts flowing and we have life.
So that's why I gave you the calculation. What is
Okay.
Mahayug?
Okay.
And because God is
Ik
infinite,
maar je
we
bent
don't
wel
know
dat-
everything.
One Mahayug is 4.32. One Mahayug is 4.32 million.
Yeah, that's right.
Yeah.
So here it comes 4.32 and multiply by 13
Equals
becomes
55.
55 million.
We're only talking about avidya.
Okay, so we finish now?
Yes, that's
It's
all.
alright. Jawab.
Yes.
Jadi you berabar
Alright.
kali
Alright, Jepon.
ke dalam ada konsep nama ni clear.
We're going to agree to disagree.
Yeah.
No.
But
Not disagree, agree to understand.
Agree to
અને આમાં એક જગ્યાએ જો એમ કહે છે.
But just think the relationship between the eternal, which is not subject to all these
Now I have to
times,
finish in 20 minutes.
Yes.
Okay?
Yeah.
and these times he's
I don't
given.
know when I might do that.
આ બધું મેં તમને આગળ કરાવ્યું છે. ત્યારે કદાચ તમને એમ લાગ્યું છે આ બધું આપણે આ સંસ્કૃતમાં ક્યાંથી આવ્યું?
So time in relation to the eternal, it's nothing.
Nothing beyond the Sanskrit.
It's nothing. So in terms of energy, if it's nothing, you could easily move it about, isn't it?
Unik. Pas bisa cepat dulu.
Okay.
Yeah.
હું શું વાત કરતો ભાઈ ભૂલી ગયો.
Vachanamrut.
વચનામૃત મને આમાં તમને જે explanation આપવાનું છે. Okay, don't worry, યાદ આવશે.
Hanumanjiનું.
હા, okay, ના પૂરું થયું. હવે આપણે એમ વાત કરી હતી કે 71 મહાયુગ one Manu created.
One Manu created.
Manu means mankind
Mankind.
starts from there.
Right.
From here, Manu.
Adam.
Yeah, it's a son of Brahma.
Okay.
Is that really Adam?
Wow.
Now,
Son of Brahma. Okay.
if you see the ancestry of Brahma,
It's very called
Yes,
Manushya.
that's right.
yeah, from Manu we start Manusha.
Yes. I'm going to put this down on the paper. Because
Right.
Ya, amal lagi lu juga apa dulu sih?
I'm still writing it down on the paper.
તમે આ ગુજરાતીમાં તમને એટલા માટે આપ્યું છે. Even if you read in Gujarati or English, you just go through, but you won't understand.
Brahma Manushya.
So Manu ruled for 71 Mahayugs.
Yeah, that's right. So up to 71 Mahayug. So it says multiply by 4.32 million years.
What's Mahayug?
Mahayug I said, so 4.432,000 આ કલિયુગ.
Okay.
That's a Mahayug.
Yes, yes. So 71 Mahayug. Wow.
So it's a 4.32 million.
Must be very short
So,
time.
And a Kote Mahayug multiplied by this one. Now if you read the figure over there, it says 30, Indrana was 30, 85, 71. You find the figure in